Symptoms of a bad car: motor mounts or engine mounts. How to properly diagnose mount-related issues. What happens if it is not fixed on time, and what to do yourself. There's a certain kind of vibration that instantly makes drivers uneasy. It's not the soft hum of road noise. It's not the light shake of rough pavement. It's that heavy, unsettling shudder you feel when starting your car, shifting into gear, or pressing the gas. The kind that makes you feel like the entire engine is moving when it shouldn't be. And most of the time when drivers feel that vibration, they assume something major is failing. They think the transmission is going bad. They suspect the suspension. Some even fear internal engine damage. But in a shocking number of cases, the real problem is far simpler and far cheaper than people expect. The real problem could be bad motor mounts or engine mounts. Motor mounts, also called engine mounts, are what hold your engine in place, absorb vibration, control engine movement, and protect the rest of the drivetrain from shock. When they fail, the entire character of the car changes. The vehicle may shake violently, clunk when shifting, jerk during acceleration, or feel unstable in ways that are difficult to describe. Resent vehicles with higher horsepower engines, stiffer transmissions, and more aggressive shifting strategies. Failed motor mounts have become more noticeable and more destructive than ever before. Today, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to tell if your motor or engine mounts are bad, what the real symptoms feel like, what happens if you ignore them, how motor mount problems get misdiagnosed, how much it really costs to fix them in 2026, and what to do the moment you suspect mount failure. Now, let's begin with what motor mounts actually do and why they are important. Every engine in every gasoline vehicle is bolted directly to the body through a system of motor mounts and transmission mounts. These mounts are made of metal and rubber, and in some modern vehicles, hydraulic fluid-filled chambers as well. Their job is to hold the engine firmly in place while absorbing vibration and allowing controlled movement under load. When you accelerate, the engine naturally wants to twist in the opposite direction of the wheels. When you brake, the engine shifts forward. When you shift gears, torque changes direction instantly. The motor mounts regulate all of that movement. They prevent the engine from slamming into the chassis. They keep the drive shaft, axles, and transmission aligned. And most importantly, they isolate you from engine vibration so your car feels smooth and controlled instead of raw and violent. When your engine mounts are healthy, you barely notice them. But when they begin to crack, collapse, or separate internally, the engine is no longer held securely. That is when noises, bangs, vibrations, and shaking begin to appear. Why motor mounts fail in the first place? Motor mounts live their entire lives under extreme stress. They are exposed to constant heat from the engine, constant vibration from combustion, and constant torque loading from acceleration and braking. Over time, the rubber hardens, cracks, and separates from the metal housing. Hydraulic mounts can leak internally, losing their ability to absorb shock. Oil leaks from the engine can also destroy motor mounts by soaking and softening the rubber. In colder climates, repeated freeze-thaw cycles accelerate rubber failure. In hotter climates, heat causes mounts to dry out and split. Aggressive driving, towing, high-torque engines, and worn transmissions all place additional stress on the mounts. Eventually, every motor mount will fail. The only question is when. The most common symptoms of bad motor mounts and engine mounts. The most noticeable symptom of a bad motor mount is excessive vibration. This is not a light tremor. This is a deep structural vibration that can be felt through the steering wheel, the seat, the pedals, and even the dashboard. It is most pronounced at idle, especially when the car is in drive or reverse with your foot on the brake. The vibration often lessens when the vehicle is in neutral or park, which is a major clue that the mounts are involved. Another common symptom is a loud clunk or bang when shifting from park into drive or from reverse into drive. That sound is the engine physically shifting position and slamming against its restraints because the mount can no longer control movement smoothly. This same clunk may happen when accelerating suddenly from a stop or when letting off the throttle suddenly at low speeds. Jerking during acceleration is also common. When mounts collapse, the engine is free to rotate more than it should under load. That sudden rotation changes the angle of the axles and transmission, causing driveline shock. The car may feel like it lunges forward harder than expected, even under moderate throttle. You may also hear knocking sounds from the engine bay when driving over bumps or rough roads. This happens because the engine is no longer securely isolated from chassis movement. Each bump allows the engine to shift just enough to make contact or transmit noise through the subframe. In more severe cases, you may physically see the engine move when the throttle is pressed. If someone safely revs the engine while the car is in park with the hood open, you may observe the engine rocking back and forth far more than it should. That excessive motion is one of the clearest visual signs of a failed motor mount. Now, how does a bad motor mount feel while driving? At idle, the car may feel rough, unbalanced, or shaky in a way that wasn't present before. The steering wheel may vibrate heavily. The cabin may buzz. At low speeds, the car may lurch slightly when getting on and off the gas. During acceleration, the vehicle may feel jerky instead of smooth. Gear shifts may feel harsh even if the transmission itself is working perfectly. This often leads drivers to believe their transmission is failing when the real issue is the engine shifting violently on broken mounts. On the highway, vibration may steady out slightly, but during any throttle changes or lane corrections, you may feel a delayed response, followed by a sudden movement as the engine shifts position under torque. All of these sensations create the feeling that the car has lost its refinement and stability, even though the engine and transmission may still be mechanically sound. What motor mount failure is commonly misdiagnosed as? Motor mount symptoms are among the most frequently misdiagnosed in modern vehicles. Drivers often believe the vibration means the engine is misfiring, when in reality, the misfire perception is created by uncontrolled engine movement. Harsh shifting often gets blamed on the transmission, especially in newer vehicles with fast automatic gear changes. Clunking noises are often mistaken for worn suspension components, bad ball joints, or even damaged CV axles. Jerking under acceleration is frequently misdiagnosed as a throttle or fuel system issue. In many of these cases, the main problem is that the engine is no longer anchored to the vehicle correctly. This misdiagnosis leads to unnecessary part replacements, wasted money, and continued frustration, while the real issue remains untouched. What happens if you ignore bad motor mounts? Ignoring failed motor mounts does far more than just make your car uncomfortable to drive. When the engine is allowed to move excessively, it places massive strain on surrounding components. Axles are forced to operate at improper angles. Exhaust components are twisted and stressed. Cooling hoses are stretched. Electrical wiring is pulled tight. Even the radiator can crack from repeated engine movement. Over time, this additional stress leads to secondary mechanical failures that would never have occurred if the mounts were replaced early. CV axles begin failing prematurely. Exhaust manifolds crack. Power steering lines leak. Transmission mounts collapse. The result is a chain reaction of hidden damage that multiplies the repair cost far beyond what it should have been. In extreme cases, completely broken motor mounts can allow the engine to lift violently under acceleration. This can cause the throttle to stick, the fan to strike the radiator, or the exhaust to break. In rare but dangerous situations, engine movement can create sudden changes in power delivery that affect vehicle control. Bad motor mounts do not make a car suddenly undrivable in most cases, but they silently destroy everything connected to the engine over time. Motor mounts versus transmission mounts? Your engine is not held in place by one single mount. Most vehicles use a system of multiple motor mounts along with at least one transmission mount. These mounts work together to stabilize the entire drivetrain assembly as one unit. When one mount fails, the remaining mounts are forced to absorb far more movement than they were ever designed to handle. This accelerates their failure as well. That is why many mechanics recommend replacing motor mounts in pairs or as a full set, depending on vehicle design and mileage. Replacing only the visibly broken mount often results in continued vibration because the remaining mounts are already fatigued. Repair cost reality in 2026. Motor mount replacement cost depends on how many mounts the vehicle uses, how accessible they are, and whether the engine must be supported or lifted during the job. In 2026, most motor mount replacements range from $200 to $800 for parts and labor on average vehicles. Luxury cars, transverse V6 engines, and turbocharged platforms often cost more due to complexity. Hydraulic motor mounts and electronically controlled active mounts are significantly more expensive than traditional rubber mounts. Some modern vehicles use engine mounts that adjust stiffness electronically based on driving mode, and replacing those can push the cost even higher. While this may not sound inexpensive, it is dramatically cheaper than the drivetrain damage that often follows an ignored mount failure. What to do the moment you suspect bad motor mounts? The smartest step is inspection. Even if the mounts are not completely torn yet, early degradation can often be seen visually. If one mount has failed, it is wise to inspect all mounts in the system. It is far cheaper to address the problem once than to replace mounts piecemeal while chasing vibrations. After the mount replacement, most drivers are shocked by how smooth their vehicle suddenly feels again. Many cars feel dramatically newer after this repair, even at high mileage. Motor mounts in high-power and turbocharged vehicles. In turbocharged and high-performance vehicles, motor mount failure happens faster due to higher torque loads. These vehicles may use stiffer mounts to improve performance feel, but the trade-off is reduced lifespan compared to softer rubber mounts. Performance mounts also transmit more vibration into the cabin, even when healthy, making failure detection more subtle. Drivers of modified vehicles experience motor mount failure even sooner, due to increased power output beyond factory design limits. If this video helped you understand what your engine vibration really means and saved you from chasing the wrong repairs, make sure to subscribe for more drivetrain and engine diagnostics explained the right way. The next videos will dive into transmission mounts, subframe failures, and drivetrain vibration mysteries that cost drivers thousands every year. Share this with anyone whose car shakes at idle. It might save them far more than they expect.